Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to edit profile in your Twitter account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Twitter account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Twitter app. Here we go. At the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on that. Now go to the option profile, which is given at the top. Tap on that. Now tap on edit profile, which is given at the top right corner. Now here you can add some bio to your profile. Here I will be writing. Now you can add your location. Now you can add something to your website in your Twitter account. Now after you fill up this information, you can also add your cover photo. Tap on apply after you are done. You can also add your profile photo. I will be choosing this photo. After you are done with your edits, you can tap on save at the top right corner. Tap on save. In this way, you can easily edit profile in your Twitter account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.